dumating sa buhay mo sa tamang panahon. Siya ang blessing sa buhay mo. There is a reason why God gave you to each other. At first, to make all of us, your fans, the Aldab Nation, very, very happy. Woo! And the Aldab Nation thanks the two of you for making us all so happy. Thank you. Hindi nyo lang alam kung gaano kayo nakakatanggal ng stress sa buhay namin. Hindi nyo lang alam how much you greatly affect us with your every move. Every dub smash, every cheesy word you say to each other, to the point that we will all be sad if hindi kayo ang magkatuluyan. So are you too brave for an answer? Or have you found the answer? No pressure. Sabi ko dito, bata pa kayo. Enjoy niyo muna kung anong meron kayo. Kulitan pa more, laglagan pa more. Enjoy being friends muna if you feel it's best for now. And let it grow and flow naturally. Parang kami ni Julius. Started out as friends, tuksuhan, muntik pang hindi magkatuluyan. Because I was afraid. I told him before, Julius, what if nag-BFGF tayo, tapos nag-break tayo at mag-away? How will you face each other on television and still work together? Paano ang karir ko? Paano ng love team? Alam mo kung ano sabi sa akin ni Julius? Na nagbago sa stand ko because I was so afraid to give him a chance. He looked at me in the eye and told me, what if we don't give this a chance? We will end up growing old with that question forever haunting us. What if? And so I end my Ninang novela with this. Once you find someone who makes you happy, who gives you that incomparable inner joy, and you can't stop thinking of him or her, then never let her, never let him go. I'll always be here with the millions of Aldab fans all over the world supporting you both, forever. And P.S. Someday, sagot ko na ang wedding cake para maulit ang subuan nyo ng cake ng first date ninyo ni Maine na nabilaukan. Sino ba nabilaukan? Si Maine. Sagot ko na ang siomai king dahil meron na kay suka at toyo. Dalhin nyo na lang ang panulak na coke, gatas at downy. At pagkasal na kayo, matuto kang maglaba, Alden. Gamit ang tide, syempre. Habang kumakain at pinagluluto ka ni